There's Max. There's one of our animals. Say hi, buddy. Oh, jeez. All right, thank you. Close up. How you doing, bud? Huh? All right, day 3-ish. I say 3-ish because I'm only gonna spend a couple hours. It's about 7:30. I just got back off work and then back from my graduation party, and now I'm going to go work on the bus for a couple hours before it gets too dark. I'll show you guys where I'm at now. Down to the wood. And then over here, down to the middle. And one thing that's cool is that my metal so far is pretty dang good looking. There's a couple of spots where there's some rust, but it's just minor rust. So far, nothing too bad. It looks pretty dang good to me. So what I've been doing, I'll show here when I get started what I've been doing to get the floor up. It's pretty much taking the power saw over there and just sawing it down the middle and prying each side. I was like a crappy little hyper tough saw from Walmart, but you set your saw to where it'll cut the wood, but then it won't cut the metal. Dark yet, but gonna call it night, mainly because it's kind of in the groove, but I was gonna start taking all of the floor off, all the wood. So what I was working on, I decided I'm done, call it a night. What I thought, oh, I got screws. All these screws just come right out. No. And you can see that one. Where's the one? Yeah, that's the one I think I got really frustrated on. Right there it is. Focus. Yeah, it's not really focusing, but that one right there I got really frustrated on. Just like kept on drilling because I got ticked off. So looks like I'm gonna have to grind most of these screws off, which is not cool because they're every like inch. But hey, do what you gotta do. What's up, guys? Day 4, working on the bus. Got the flooring all ripped apart. And now we're moving on to paneling. As you can see, it's gonna be a little harder than I I want it to be, but screws were not coming out, and there's a lot of them. So I think I'm gonna go the grinder route. So I'll show you here real quick why I always hack up right before dark. Show you a little bit around the place, our little tiny farm, I guess is what you call it. Let me drop here. So I head out to where the chickens are, chickens and ducks. So every night gotta deal with them, put them away. There's Max. There's one of our animals. Say hi, buddy. Oh, jeez. All right, thank you. Close up. How you doing, bud? Huh? Yeah. All right. Here's my little mini chicken and duck farm. The duck house in here. I don't know if they're in there right now. Probably. Yeah, you can't hear them until I go a little closer. You see them? Nope, too dark. That's why I need better cameras, but the ducks are in there. So they're all up, so close them up. Here's the chicken house. Make sure all the chickens are in there. All 6 of you in there? I don't know. Looks like it. All right, night, girls. All right, yeah, so there's our little duck and chicken farm that we got going on in here. Hey, there's a other animal. It's Ace. Meow. What's up? Max. Yeah, so that's pretty much why I pack up early every night, so I gotta take care of the ducks and then come over here and water the garden before I go to bed. Show you the garden that we got going on. This is kind of, so here's a garden. We got eaten by mosquitoes. I believe that's the zucchini plant, acorn squash, yellow zucchini, cherry tomatoes. I think we got cherry tomato on here somewhere growing. I don't know where it went. Cucumber, some sort of yellow cucumber thing, lemon cucumber, something like that. I believe these are bell peppers, red peppers, and jalapenos. We got potatoes in here. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts all in there. A green bean plant that's looking a little sad. We got red onions, yellow onions, garlic, more potatoes, and then lettuce. I think that's romaine, I believe. I'm not for sure. Red lettuce and then butter lettuce, more garlic, more potatoes, and then one more tomato plant that has nice green tomato growing on it.